What you need is to pop away the plastic cover. You just hold it, push it up, pause it up, then it will comes off. Just 4 clips. Then you want to look at like here, this hole with a slightly brownish top. You want to pull it out. So what you can do is try to put your hand underneath. You will feel that there's a hole, the one that I'm shaking. This is the one you want to take it off. So you can just kind of like one hand comes to here, pause in here, and then another finger just goes in and helps take it out. So let's see if it is even possible to do it without like removing the intake. Oops. Yep. Okay, done. So here's the holes. Here's the unplug the cap. So according to the instructions, you will need to use a vacuum cap. I bought this one because it's cheap from Amazon, but I would recommend you use a silicone one. You can probably get those from like Temu or something for really cheap. The size that you need is this one, okay? So I'll just pick one from here. And then you want to put this cap into that, covering that hole over there. So let's see, can I place my GoPro somewhere? Nope. Let's just put it here. So you want to like, let's see if this is even possible to do it this way. No. So okay, so here, as you can see, it is in. So yes, it is completely possible to do it without removing the intakes. So yep, here we are. Yep, all good, done.